Hexgears Hyeku F2 ergonomic mechanical keyboard launched for 1,299 yuan $179. Hexgears Black Canyon has introduced its latest product in the mechanical keyboard market, the Hyeku F2 ergonomic mechanical keyboard. It's now available for pre-order starting at 1,299 yuan $179 through various e-commerce platforms. The Hyeku F2 keyboard is designed to serve both casual and professional users. The F2 keyboard features an ergonomic design, built with the comfort of the user in mind. Ergonomic keyboards promote a natural wrist and forearm posture, enhancing typing comfort by minimizing wrist movements. The keyboard is crafted from a single piece of high-quality aluminum alloy. The construction promises durability while offering a sleek appearance. It's available in 4 colors: Crimson Wine, Silver Azure, Coral Twilight, and Ink Bamboo Gold. The Hexgears Hyeku F2 mechanical keyboard offers 2 switch options: Deep Sea Box Switch Pro and Blackberry Ice Cream Switch Pro. These switches provide diverse typing experiences to suit different preferences in keystroke feel and responsiveness. The inclusion of the innovative gasket structure and support for hot swappable switches for all keys enhances customization and adaptability. The keyboard comes with a magnetic wristrest and an optional full aluminum carbon fiber wristrest, improving ergonomics for extended usage. These additions cater to users like gamers, programmers, writers, and professionals who spend long hours at the keyboard. The keyboard features triple connectivity options, including Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, 2.4G, and wired connections. The keyboard is also compatible with Windows, Mac OS, and Android OS. It enhances its versatility and compatibility across different platforms and situations, offering flexibility for both gaming and professional tasks.